While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi guys, come in, come. Welcome back. Look at this. Good morning, guys. I will have to. Good morning. This is what I miss, guys. This is what I want. He's sleeping with me. This is why I miss him so much. He slept with me. This morning, he slept with me since, I don't know what time, like early in the morning. Last night, what did you do in there? Why you're in the couch? Why you're in the chair? Why you're not allowed in the chair, baby? You are not. Yeah, you are not. You are not. Ba, 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 ba. Hey, bug. Good girl, Misty. Good girl, Misty. Yes, you're such a good girl. You don't bother your brother. Oh, jump. Auntie. Auntie. Amba. Auntie. Auntie. Amba.
Ma'am, what are you two?
This is the cat.
These are the cats?
This is the dog.
Right.
This is the cat.
Okay, so they have more used to.
This one is not used yet, Dimples. Let me see.
But doesn't for the cats?
Yeah. We need, there's 3 left in there, I think.
3 dogs, one cow. I
The dog.
thought you said this was left.
No, there's there. And the dogs have a bunch because the Long Island thing, this and that a bunch you buy a lot when we went there. So what we're using is the one that the first one we get.
More.
Don't drop it because
I didn't drop it, you dropped it.
good to
You grabbed that from me and dropped it on the floor. What are you kidding?
you're going. What is this sticking in?
Yeah, stickers.
Stick for what?
Well, I love dog stickers. Badge, on your iPhone, whatever you want. Showing you the feeding the dog hard card.
Yeah. Yes, I love my dog.
How many you put on there? Oh, jeez.
I can take it off anytime, huh?
I know, but what's the point for them to make it look nice? I'm mad at the bug, I'm telling you.
You're right.
I'm not, he's nothing other than when you went out of the room, he went out after you.
He's mad at the cat. Hubs.
Tired of stupidity.
Because Hubs never.
Come to me all time for food.
Hubs never come to him. You say that this morning, guys.
He does. He used to come up and sleep with me now, and I even do that. No, he doesn't.
He sleeps
Just
with
takes his food and runs.
Look at this, guys. Guys. Where is he?
I have no idea. He was following you last time I saw him.
Oh, poor baby.
Okay, he should be bugging you for food then. You're the one he wants to do. He should be bugging you.
He bugs you because he loves you.
Or die. No.
He loves you. Are you really that upset to that bug?
No, he's just a pain in my neck.
His son hurt his feelings. Shit. Baby, I'm freezing. Baby. I'm freezing, baby. I'm freezing, baby. Look at that. He's brushing his long hair.
Looks like it.
You need a haircut, my love. Say hi to everyone, please.
Hi, everyone, please.
Where you going?
Let's see. They got me robbed up in the pal.
Not yet. Look what happened, guys. This is in my car and he carried it back to his car. This is his favorite, guys. His favorite. He loves his snacks. Not yet, hon.
What?
Not yet.
Well, it's 8:30. Usually that pick up.
They just over there, or they just came in the side. Anyway, guys, good morning again. We are heading to hulog his ina. Yung ina niya ilug-hulog namin. Anyway, so I don't know if I can go out after this from the car. It's freezing cold out.
Market.
Sophia Market. Kill cuts.
Full cuts bread, they're gonna make sandwich. There's another one who don't want to signal.
There is signal, you don't see?
No, he just did that now. He wasn't signaling, neither did the girl in front of him. Just turn it on now. Look, I'm sitting there. If you're gonna turn, put your signal on so that I can go too.
So that's it, guys. When you're with the driver, that's crazy, crazy. I'm crazy, I'm crazy, I'm crazy.
So inconsiderate.
In love. Ni siyangit kaya gipuingit. Gipuingit kaya ni siyangit. Oh, it's traffic over here. I hope next week it won't rain at all because my gardening I want to finish. Not really finish, but at least I will accomplish halfway of my gardening, guys.
The problem is the rain is gonna make the weeds come up really quick.
I know. So we're here at the ShopRite, guys, and we're just looking for vegetables and looking for something. But so I'm planning to make some yung broccoli wrap. So yun lang. Still right. Come here, let's find some broccoli wrap, Han. So hopefully they have something here. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's right. They have, this is the good thing about here, guys, the ShopRite. They have a really good vegetable section because it's really fresh. So that's why we like to come over here. So Tom is still right there. Seems like Tommy know the song. Michael Jackson. Yeah, I know. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Nothing's happened. Okay, dance, Tommy, dance. Oh, you almost kicked my freaking iPhone. You face crazy. You dropped my iPhone, you're gonna get me one. Another one. Oh, I like this. Hi guys, we are done with shopping. Grocery actually. It's right there. Why everything? Allah, Tommy turned the car on. Tommy turned the car on. The car just turned on when I'm here. It's just a scary thing. Oh my god. He turned the car on. It scares me. What the heck? My husband is a little nutsy. You make me nervous. Now it's died because you open it. You make me nervous. What the heck is this? Like the car is just...
Look at this way you can put the heat on.
No. Then you shut off when you come in.
Yeah, but you were already in. So it'll stay running.
No, you just turn it on, right? Again? Okay guys, I will see you in the house because my cell phone, my camera is so bad. So every time we go out, it's low battery.
Like its owner, low and batty.
Han.
Low and batty.
Low and batty?
Batty.
Battery?
Yeah, like bats in your belt.
My goodness.
Like a little crazy. Batty.
Yeah, it's you, Tommy. I'm
Me?
crazy. Look at Tommy, guys. He's so busy. There's a lot of things in the here because he's making sandwich at thon. This is broccoli rub, guys, that we got. This broccoli rub. More sandwich, more. Okay, you guys, I am also making something for Tommy, which is not making really, it's just stirring fry. Hold on, guys. I'm cooking the last night the beef that I made in the other house. So I put tons of garlic and just fry it that way. Smell that garlic when the garlic is burned. That's what it smells right now. This is what Tommy likes, guys. That crunchy, garlicky, and it's not crunchy, but it's nice and burnt a little bit. The best part. Yippee! Hi guys, I have a really bad pain, hon. Hon.
Yeah.
Stomach pain, baby. Too much pancake. I ate pancake. 3 big pancakes and 1 croissant, guys, and coffee. Oh my god, everything is bad. There's nothing. Fruits, nothing. No vegetables. Stomach hurts. I carry Tommy's laptop bag. He's ready to go to work, guys. He's so special. Oi! Why you're so special, bug? Why? Why we love you so much? Everybody loves you. Why? Like unconditional love for you. Because you're such a bug. You're a sweet little bug. You're a sweet little hubsy bug. You're a sweet little hubsy bug. Look at that position, guys. He's sitting down, guys, sideways. Is that sideways? Hi, Mom. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I'm comfortable over here, Mama. Look at me, Mama. He's trying to play with... You're playing with Misty. Misty, young ma. Look carefully. Look at that. Look at it, guys. Look, Misty, look. Play with your brother. Your bug. You're playing with your own tail. That tail is so cute, guys. It just looks like a snake to me, and I tried to grab it. I'm just done editing, guys, and it's transferring now. It's exporting now from the thing. Anyway, so Tommy left, and then he called me. He says, "Honey, I'm in the Bronx, in the traffic." I said, "Hon, I will talk to you later because I'm editing. I don't have a video today. It's late." So he want to talk to me. I said, "We have to talk later because I want to finish my editing and I'm just cleaning up his mess." Well, it's as a wife, you clean up your husband's mess, and he knows. He just leave it there. He knows that I'm the one who's going to clean up the mess, and I'm the one who's clearing up his mess. And understand that I'm his wife and I'm a housewife, so it's my job, guys. The thing that I don't like to do, that I don't like I'm not looking forward to do, is the broccoli rub. Well, the broccoli rub is always good, it's always yummer, but it's always pain in the neck to clean up piece by piece. I'm just cutting a lot of garlic right here. Like, look, garlic. Oh my god, I had to peel every one of them. And there is the broccoli rub. It's a lot, which is our favorite. Finally, I'm done cleaning it up. Guys, I remember I have laundry and I forgot. Their diary. Today diary, I forgot my laundry again. As usual diary, I forget my laundry. Look who's here. Cover your face, Hubs. You cover your face. It's so good. It's like cheese inside, Danish cheese. It's really good though. If you found this in your local grocery store, find this in the bakery area. Lamb, rice, and broccoli rub. I have some over here if I want more, but yep. So this is my dinner, and I'm going to watch some video in YouTube. So let's see. So bon appetit. Tommy called me. I told him his favorite lamb and broccoli rub his favorite. So I told him, "Han, I did cook it already," and he says, "Oh, so good." He's excited to go home later because so good. He's excited. And can I show you something also, guys? I folded my knee. I'm comfortable folding my knees. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? What? What is it? Dada? 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 Go get him. Let's go now. Stop licking and yes, baby. Yes. Roxy, what are you doing, Rox? You love her ear. Misty love it, so. You love it, Misty. You love sisterly love. Is that sisterly love? Look at his addict. Look, it's addict. You're so addict. Look at this, guys. You're so addict, Rox. Look at guys. Holy cow. Holy sack. Hi. Wow. How are you? Stop licking. Stop licking the Roxy bit this, guys. Roxy make this hole. Stop licking it. Stop licking. Stop licking. Okay, I know she wanna go out, guys. She's dying to pee. Hi guys, I am going to sleep. 9:15 already in the evening, and yeah, so hopefully I can be awake later on when Tommy get home. Shout out to Tita Inday. Hi Tita Inday from California. Hi, good morning, and also good afternoon if you watch this video. Good afternoon, and yeah, probably morning in California, but anyway, good morning, good afternoon, hi. And this is from Tess and Tita Inday and the Doogie Pumay. Hi Tess, hi Tita Inday, hi. And also happy birthday today, happy birthday today or yesterday, the Papa Manuel is coming today, guys, April 24th. Hi, happy birthday. And also hi to Angelo and Adam from Mommy Disa. Hi. Shout out to Jill Imperial and to her hubby Leryu. Hi. Hi Jacqueline De La Cruz. Hi. Thank you guys for watching. And also shout out to Jeannie Mir Raval. Yeah, hi. Thank you. And also shout out to Jeannie. Yeah, Jeannie from Cebu. And she's in Hong Kong. Jeannie from Cebu, and she's in Hong Kong right now. And advance happy birthday. This is this coming April 28th. Yeah, happy birthday advance. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Arlisi Jane Carderon Soyom. She's from Iligan. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Richelle Timbol. Hi sis. And also shout out to Glinda Sereno from UK. Hi. And also shout out to Yam Micah. So thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button down there and click the like button also para masaya tayo. So thank you. I came down back here, guys, because Tommy is home and I just prepare his food. But anyway, Hubs bit my freaking nose. He's sleeping with me, and then what I did is like, he's smelling, he's like snip his face, and then suddenly, but he doesn't bit hard, but it's just like telling me that, oh, don't do that, don't annoy me. And then I just keep laughing. Look at that bug. It's a big bug. And there's a lot that just came out from the lamp. Look, it mixed with the thing. Hi guys, I'm going to end this vlog for the second time around. I end this vlog in bed, and this is... Bye, Han.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. You
Bye,
see that?
guys. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Do you know what I think those live pictures are?
Huh? Yeah, it go when you're taking picture. It live's a quick. It's a quick live.
You sent me pictures and I'm like, how's that live?
Where is it? Is it sent to you too like that way?
Yeah, how bizarre.
I don't
that?
even realize that, guys.
My
That.
phone doesn't do live pictures.
Yeah, no. This is only for iPhone 7.
Yeah.
And it's okay. I don't even realize it that live that fast. Anyway, guys. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. We're gonna go to bed.
That's very bizarre.
Fixed temporarily.